Selenium class 30, Selenium project overview. Selenium class 30, project overview. See, I will explain an online shopping project. You try to automate this project using Selenium WebDriver, Java programming, and TestNG. See, functional test automation. Functional test automation using Selenium. See, first project domain. See, project info. Project domain. What is domain, Madhavi? What is domain? See, general meaning, domain means an area. In our testing point of view, software industry point of view, what is domain? Domain.
About the project, we have to know.
See, general meaning, domain means it is an area. Our software testing point of view, what is domain? Can you tell me, Srivalli, what is domain?
It's a financial.
Okay, examples: banking domain, e-commerce, ERP, telecom, healthcare, retail market. See, famous domain is highest revenue in the IT industry, BFSI, banking, financial services and insurance. Next, largest domain in terms of volume, ERP, enterprise resource planning. Our project belongs to e-commerce. Now tell me, what is domain? Domain means project business area. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, welcome. Project business area. See, next, subdomain. Subdomain optional. Okay, subdomain. See, in this e-commerce domain, we have so many subdomains. Our project comes under B2C. B2C. Rahman, what is B2C? Did you hear this term, B2C?
I heard from you, but I forget.
Okay.
Is it business to customers?
Yes, business to customer. See, business. See, as a test engineer, you need to familiar with domains. Domain knowledge is essential for software test engineers. See, business to customer. See, other areas also there. B2B, business to business. Next, C2C, customer to customer. Krishna Chaitanya, can you give one example for C2C subdomain? C2C, customer to customer. Some web portals provide customer to customer business services.
I'm not sure about that, sir.
Madhavi.
PayPal?
eBay, sir. eBay.
eBay. What is
Yeah,
eBay?
they have eBay, like customer will sell the product, whatever they have, and then customer will buy it.
Okay. Tell me, Rahman.
PayPal is a customer to customer.
PayPal customer to customer. That is a financial application, financial gateway. Okay. See, best examples.
Craigslist, sir?
Pardon?
Craigslist?
See, best examples. Ad portals are there now. This one, classification portals, classified portals, OLX, Quicker,
Sulekha.com?
Sulekha.com. Did you hear this one, Tushar? OLX, Quicker, Sulekha.
Yeah, I have heard Sulekha.
Sulekha, Quicker, OLX, etc. All these are portals provide C2C, customer to customer. Customer place their business or product information and customers only purchase. See, our application is business to customer, B2C. Next, application, online shopping, online shopping portal, online shopping portal. Portal means, Madhavi, portal means, what is portal? See, we have different types of web applications. Websites. Websites provide organizations information, company information. Web applications, commercial applications, banking applications, insurance applications, internet applications. Next, social networking sites. Next, email service providers, search engines, etc. The one of the type portals. Krishna Chaitanya, what is portal? Web portal? Suppose Naukari.com, Monstar.com, they also portals. What is portal? Preeti, what is web portal?
Is it website?
Website, okay, website. See, usually websites provide information. Rahman,
Where
web
we can
portal.
where we can post some resumes like that.
Resume, not only Naukari.com or Monstar.com. See, e-commerce, all e-commerce applications belong to web portals. Portal means a business gateway, a business gateway. Web portal, a business gateway. Next, application environment. Here, development environment. This application developed in LAMP technology, short form LAMP. Madhavi, can you tell me what is LAMP? Open source.
I don't know, sir.
LAMP. Krishna Chaitanya, what is LAMP?
I don't know too.
Linux, Apache. Next, M for MySQL and P for PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Okay. Next, production environment. Production. Say, this is internet public application. Internet public application. Say, we can deploy, the company deploys this application in World Wide Web, wide area network, public application. Suppose ICICIbank.com, public application. HDFC.com, public web application. Suppose you can deploy your applications in internet, but you can provide security. Private applications also there in internet. Private applications are also there in internet. This is public application, means anybody can launch and use. Anybody can use. Next, test environment. Test environment. Intranet. See, company network. Company network. See, company local network. See, usually we test web applications in intranet environment. Some 10% or 20% testing might be in internet environment. Suppose sometimes we have to test with live data. Test with live data. That time 10% or 20% based on application functionality and customer interest. We test in internet also, but most of the time we test web applications in intranet environment, local network. Okay. If it is internet application or intranet application, we test in intranet only, just some 10 to 20% using live data in internet environment. Next, this application developed in LAMP technology, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, but client side environment, user side environment, no restrictions. You can launch this application using Windows, Macintosh, Linux, and any browser. Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, etc. It supports all leading browsers and all popular OS environments. Next, project description. Madhavi, did you understand this one? Our application is online shopping application. See, this one. User interface. Can you tell me the purpose of this project in 1 or 2 sentences? Purpose of this project?
Selling the items.
Selling items. Actually, this web portal owner is third party. See, web portal owner doesn't provide any products. Mediator in between vendors and customers. Okay, now tell me the description. See, this web portal provides interface in between vendors, or you can say manufacturers and customers. See, they don't charge any amount from customers, they charge some commission from vendors. See, this web portal provides interface in between vendors and customers. Next, vendors means manufacturers place their products and sell. Next, customers buy products. First, view products information and buying optional, and buy products one or more. and buy products. Next, financial service providers like banks or PayPals, etc. Financial service providers provide money transfer operations. Okay, now, Madhavi, anything else?
No, sir.
Tell me, anything else?
Maybe
Shipping, sir.
credit card.
Okay, credit card, anything, financial service providers only, na?
Okay.
Shipping.
Shipping.
Shipping. Okay, shipping also one of the service. See, courier service providers, ship products from distributors or vendors, from vendors directly or vendors distributors, vendors to customers, and sometimes replacement or return products also there. That is also one of the tasks. Any other? Observe, Madhavi. Krishna Chaitanya.
And business and vendors also will have contacts, right?
Business?
Business like owner and to vendor.
Vendor to business owners also communication. They track, see, web portal admin tracks vendor status and that status of buying products, and they charge some commission, etc.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the primary business operations. Here, stakeholders of the project. Whoever impacted by this project, stakeholders of the project. First, web portal owner, next manufacturers, or you can say vendors, next financial service providers, see, some cash on delivery options also there. Customer can choose online pay or cash on delivery. See, financial service providers, one or more, vendors, multiple. Next, courier service providers, just a minute. See, sometimes distributors, next customers, etc. Say you take any web application, two interfaces. One is admin interface, another is user interface. See, our application also having two interfaces. See, two interfaces. Application. One is admin interface. Admin interface, or you can say server side interface. Next, user interface. Client side interface. Say admin interface. Admin interface. Here users, portal owner, that is admin. See project admin. See they provide they provide login details for vendors also. Vendors can register, but in this application, limited functionality. In general, registration facility also there. Vendor can register and log in and add product, edit product, delete product, etc. Next, courier service providers for tracking order status. Next, financial service providers for tracking financial information, etc. Next, features to be tested. Features to be tested in admin interface. Okay, before that, I will provide the term admin URL. I think all of you familiar with that URL. What is the admin URL? Tell me, Preeti, admin URL.
www.
Okay, actually, see www. See, actually, companies deploy test application under test in intranet environment, but our application deployed in internet environment, generally in local servers. Okay, gcrit.com/.
Admin build3
/admin. See, this application deployed in internet environment, but usually in companies, they develop in intranet environment, local server, and they provide URL for testing. URL. Okay. Observe Tushar. Okay, gcrit.com. This is domain, web domain. Don't confuse. This e-commerce is business domain. This gcrit.com is web address, web domain. What is this build3? Try to understand the terms. Observe here. Observe Rahman. What is this URL? gcrit.com/build3. gcrit.com, okay, web that is domain. Domain address. What is build3?
Is a release?
Pardon? Release, okay. Krishna Chaitanya, subdomain. No Krishna Chaitanya. It is not subdomain. Try to understand these terms. here gcrit.com is domain, web domain, web address. Next, this build 3. This build 3 is folder. Next, I will show another example. Just a minute. Suppose online news portal. Just a minute. Click English version. Now observe Krishna Chaitanya. This time, see earlier gcrit.com/build3. This time english.topaki.com. What is this English? Topaki.com web domain. What is this English?
I'm not sure.
Your previous answer is correct for this scenario. What is your previous answer?
Subdomain?
Subdomain. This is subdomain. Okay, now Preeti, did you understand this concept? Folder, subdomain.
What is admin, sir?
Pardon?
Admin, what about admin?
Subfolder.
Build 3.
Subfolder. See here, build 3 is there. Next, admin is there. Admin is subfolder under build 3. Next, subfolder like that. Okay, now Preeti, did you understand this concept? Subdomain, domain, subdomain, folder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, our admin interface is gcrit.com build 3. You know the user details for testing. User admin. Next, password. See, for testing purpose, companies provide user ID, password, and some dummy credit card information and other required information. Password admin at 123. Okay, features to be tested in admin interface. Observe Rahman, try to analyze the application. First, explore the application. Suppose gcrit.com build 3 admin. Here, what are the features? Observe Madhavi. Before
Yes, sir.
login also one feature is there. Try to observe that feature before login also.
Yeah.
After launching the application, before login, one feature is there. What is that feature?
Online catalog.
Yes, online catalog. See, redirect to user
Online
interface. See, after login also this navigation is there. Alternate flows. See, before login, you can redirect from admin to user, and after login also redirect from admin to user. See, click online catalog. Just a minute. This is one feature. Redirect from admin to admin interface to user interface. Next, no redirect from user to admin. Why not required? See, for admin, sometimes they have to view the user interface, but for customers or guest users, they no need to redirect to admin interface. Okay. Now next feature, Abdul Rahman, redirect to user interface, one feature before login. Next, Krishna Chaitanya, contribute. Login is one feature na.
Yes, sir.
Admin login. See, actually, without exploring the application also, you need to analyze the application. How to analyze? Using requirement specification. Generally we analyze the application and prepare test plan using requirement specification. Okay, but I am exploring the application and writing the details, but usually we derive these steps from requirement specification. That is the formal way. Admin login. Next, tell me, Madhavi, admin login.
Before login also we can check that, right? The administration and support side.
Okay, support site not implemented this functionality in this application. Here, support site, it is redirecting to same only. Administration also same. If any functionality is there, you have to check that functionality.
Okay.
Just a minute. Next, Tushar, contribute. Derive features to be tested using by exploring the application.
Capture the URL.
Capture URL, that is comes under testing. What I am writing, features to be tested in admin interface.
Yes, sir.
Observe here, categories, products.
If we click on any link, whether it is directing to right page or not.
Yes, that is also one functionality. See, observe. See here, new category. Click new category. Here, providing the small form. Next, new product. Another form. See, add categories. Suppose computer is category. Under computer, different models, products. Add categories. See, in this application, no full-fledged functionality. Just assume. Add, edit, delete categories. Before that, add, edit, just a minute. Add, edit, delete manufacturers. Observe Rahman, who add or delete and who add, edit and delete manufacturers?
It's a vendors.
Admin, vendor, manufacturer synonyms.
Admins.
Admin, portal
Correct.
owner.
Admin.
Or portal owner person, concerned person. Admin, add, edit, delete manufacturers. Next, Krishna Chaitanya, who add or delete or edit categories? Vendors or manufacturers. See, this is admin, portal admin. This operation by portal admin. This operation by manufacturers. Next, add, edit, delete products under categories. Products. Preeti, who add or delete or edit products?
Manufacturer?
Manufacturers only. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. Manufacturers. Next, add, delete, add, edit, delete, currency. Madhavi, currency. This is localization. Currencies. Who add currencies?
Financial.
Portal owner only. Suppose some application supports only US dollar. Some application supports US dollar, Indian rupees, and Japan yen, other currencies. Depends on application. Next, one more functionality also there in this one. Observe, new currency, edit currency, delete currency, and one more functionality also there. Suppose select the currency, Australian dollar, edit. Observe this checkbox, Madhavi. What is that one?
Set as default.
Yes, set as default. That is also one functionality. Default currency.
What does that mean, sir?
Application default currency. User interface side default currency US dollar, but customer can change the currency. Default it shows US dollars. Suppose if you want to purchase in euros, you can change that one. But default it shows US dollar or Australian dollar based on this selection.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next, observe order status. Order status. Madhavi. Who track this order status?
Admin.
Yes, admin. See, in some applications, admin track, next vendors also. Next, reports. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. Reports. Product wise reports. Next customer wise reports. Who track these reports? Product reports. Next.
Manufacturer.
What about web portal owner? They need to track the status also. They also track that status now.
Okay.
Customer reports. See, this is not full-fledged application. In full-fledged applications, for financial service providers also, financial service providers, courier service providers also, login details available, and they track the status, shipping status, etc. See, in this application, limited functionality. See, these are the important features in this application. In this admin interface. Next, user interface. See, features to be tested in user interface. Here users. Rahman, tell me the users of admin user interface. Users of user interface. Admin interface, portal admin, manufacturers, etc. User interface.
Customer.
Yes, customers. Those are guest users. Guest users. Suppose I want to view products. Just you can launch the application and view. Suppose I want to purchase the products, then registered users. Registered users. Next, features to be tested. Observe Preeti. And one more thing, in this after login also redirect to admin. Alternate flow, another flow available. Redirect from admin interface to user interface after login. Just a minute. User interface, Preeti.
Yes, sir, I have a question. Sir, when we are saying the guest user can be the retail stores people also, right?
No, guest user can anybody, customers or anybody. Anyone can launch the application and view the product details. If you want to buy the product, then registration required. Registered user only can buy the products.
Okay.
But anybody can launch the application and view products and search products now.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. See, guest users. What are the features or functionalities available for guest users? Launch application. Next, view
View the
products. Search products. Next, registered users. All these available. And in addition, byproducts, etc. See,
They can add to their cart also, right?
pardon?
They can add the product into their cart also, right?
That is comes under byproduct feature only, na?
Okay.
Say during buying products, they add or remove items from cart, finally checkout. Okay, na? Say that
Yes, sir.
adding items or products. See, adding products and number of items. Next, after some time, deleting products or deleting some item, changing the items. That is comes under byproducts only. In that main functionality, those are sub functionalities. Say in requirements also you can find parent requirement, child requirement, subchild requirements, etc. Okay. Next here, tell me the features of user interface, Preeti.
View the product.
Okay.
Login.
Okay. Before that, of launch application, it is not functional. It's not a feature. Simple one. Next, search products. Next, search products. Next, customer registration. Next, customer login. Next, see in this application some functionality is not implemented. Usually you don't try to test this one, leave it. Usually web portals provides this facilities this facility also. Track order status. In this application not implemented. Customer login. Anything else, Madhavi? Byproducts also,
Returning
na?
to
Byproducts.
Important one.
and returns to
Returns comes under tracking status. In this tracking status, are they provide their account page. Na, in this account page, a return option is there. In this application, not implemented. That is also one functionality. Return products. See, they can return products in many ways. One is through this website, through this web portal, or by phone also, na? By phone also you can give the details, isn't it? But
yes, sir.
here also tracking details. Next, return products. Yes, return products also facility. Byproducts. In this byproducts, some sub functionalities also there. Main functionality byproducts. Here what are the other things, Preeti?
Financial terms.
Financial, next one. Here important things. Select products.
Currency.
Currency. Next, if multiple currencies available, otherwise single currency. Next, number of items.
Quantity.
Quantity, number of items. Quantity. Next, edit.
The way of payment.
Edit products. You can here 3. Just a minute. Add, edit, delete. After add, you can delete. Here no modification na Madhavi, no edit na.
Yes, sir.
Only add and delete. Add product. If you don't want, delete product. Next, add quantity. Next, edit quantity. No delete quantity. Minimum default quantity is 1 na. But no default product. But default quantity is there. Next, continue Preeti. Add or delete products. Select currency. Add or delete quantity. Add or edit quantity. Add or edit quantity. No delete quantity. Next.
I don't know, sir.
Select payment option. Say some applications provide multiple options. Credit card, PayPal. Next, this one, cash on delivery, etc. Finally, checkout. Okay. Next.
In the payment option, sir.
Payment.
Yeah, in the select payment option, if the VIP, users are there, so they will give some kind of more discount or some terms
coupons
will be there,
that
right?
depends on application. Discount coupons, that is also part of this business. Discount coupons.
Okay. Free
But
shipping.
these are
those
optional.
terms. Okay. Yeah.
Discounts, optional.
And the free shipping, those.
Okay, free shipping also, that is not user option. First we have to check. They ask, enter your PIN code. Free or suppose depends on our product value in terms of money. Free shipping or paid shipping options. We can't change that options. Suppose some applications provide for minimum 1000 rupees order free shipping, below 1000 paid shipping. Suppose for shipping this product 25 rupees extra. We can't change that option, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is default options. Okay. See, these are the important features in user interface. Next, here 2 more concepts are there. 2 more concepts. I will explain. Sanity tests. Sanity tests for admin interface. Next, you write sanity tests for, you select sanity tests for user interface. Next, I will explain business flows, understanding purpose. Business flows for user interface, and you write business flows for admin interface. See, business flow. in user interface. See, you write sanity tests for user interface. Next, user interface business flows I will explain. You write business flows for admin interface. Okay. Identify sanity test cases in admin interface. Rahman. Identify.
Okay. Sanity. Redirect admin login.
Redirection is not sanity. Is it mandatory?
No. So admin login should be.
Suppose if redirection is not working, can't we forward testing for remaining functionalities? You can forward now.
Yeah, by use admin login.
Okay, admin login. See, here admin login is sanity test or not?
Yes, sir, sanity test.
Sanity testing. See, admin login. Not only admin login, all logins. Admin login. Next, vendor or manufacturer login. Manufacturer login. Next,
log out.
Log out. Okay. Suppose if log out not working properly, next time problem. Log out. Next, observe Madhavi. Sanity tests. See, add category, add product, sanity test na?
Yes, sir.
At least one category and at least one vendor required for testing, edit functionality, delete functionality, etc. na?
Yes, sir.
Add category. Add category. Say, if you are not able to add category, you cannot test edit category, delete category, etc. Next, add before this, add manufacturer. In this one, not available. That one also. Add product. Next, add currency. Add currency. Anything else, Krishna Chaitanya? Reports, no adding, just they generate automatically based on user interface. Any other?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Sir,
Next,
in sanity test for admin interface, so we are just testing the whatever the links are available over there. So those are working or not, right?
No. Complete admin functionality. Complete functionality.
Okay.
Suppose login is not working. After entering valid username and password, login is not working. Then you cannot test other features, other functionalities now.
Yeah, those logging in and log out is different story. But if we are considering the add category, so that is the link, right? So we are checking that link is working or not.
Not link, right? Observe, not link. See, in different ways you can check that one. Observe. Good question. Observe. Actually, this is database testing item, and you can test using interface also, front end also. Here, categories. How many categories are there?
4.
Suppose if it is raw application, say freshly installed, it will show 0 na?
Yes.
0. First you have to check that one. Categories 0. Products 0. Suppose you try to add one product. Products, how many products? 39. New product. Suppose I will add a category. Take more time. New category. Category name. Suppose ABCD. You can use, you can upload image also. How many categories?
5.
5. Now change it now. One category added now.
Yes, sir.
You track that number and check. Actually, it is database test case. You have to check this A, B, C, D, E, F added or not. Using front end also you can check. See, in our assignment, you check using front end. Here, you just before add, you track this you capture this number. Next, after add, capture the number and subtract that one after minus before and finalize. Suppose after add 4, before add 4, not added na?
Yes.
Next, you write
So we
sanity.
are testing, sorry, sir. So we are testing in a category, each and every functionality is working or not, right?
Pardon?
In the add category, so we are testing each and every functionality, is it working or not? That is considered as a sanity testing?
Not each and every function. What is each and every functionality?
Whatever the available, add, edit, whatever the...
Edit not required. Edit comprehensive test case. Add is sanity.
Okay.
See, this is build acceptance testing. After performing sanity test, then you can concentrate on comprehensive testing, means executing all possible test cases. In comprehensive testing, you test all functionalities. Again, add also. Add category, edit category, delete category, add product, edit product, delete product, etc. See, observe. See, sanity, what are these one? Test execution levels. Manual testing concept. In automation also same. Test execution levels. Observe Srivalli, I think in 3rd chapter, software test process chapter, STLC chapter, explained the 4 levels of test process na, 4 phases of test process. Can you recollect? 4 phases of software test process.
Test planning.
Test planning, test design, test execution and test closure. Next, in the 3rd phase, test execution, we discussed some test levels. What are the test levels? Sanity testing. See, test execution levels, not test levels. Don't confuse. Test levels different. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. Those are test levels. These are test execution levels.
Regression testing.
After sanity testing, no regression. Suppose sanity fails, just reject the build. Comprehensive testing. Comprehensive testing. What is comprehensive testing, Madhavi? Executing after accepting the build after sanity testing, execute all possible test cases. Suppose we have 200 test cases, some 25 test cases sanity. After accepting, next execute all possible test cases. That is comes under comprehensive testing. Here you find, if you find any deviation from expected, defect, report defects. After reporting, track defects. Next, select test cases for regression testing. Next, again we need to perform sanity na.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sanity testing. See, first one, sanity testing on initial build. Initial build, first build. Next, sanity testing on modified build. Next, regression. Select regression tests. Regression testing, cycle 1. Next, after modified field, again sanity, again regression cycle, next regression cycle 2, next regression cycle 3. That cycles depends on application complexity and strength of the development team. At the end, final regression. Select test cases from high defect density areas, final regression. Now observe, Preeti, sanity testing. Here we select only basic functionality tests, not all tests. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Major functionality, right?
Basic functionality. Major, okay. Basic functionality term. Here,
Okay.
in comprehensive testing, all functionalities. Next, in regression testing, failed test cases and affected test cases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you write.
Thank you so much.
Pardon?
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Say you write same sanity tests for user interface. Next, I will explain business flows in user interface. Try to understand the business flows. Business flows in user interface. Contribute Rahman, user interface. Just a minute, log off. Go to here. What are the business flows? I will explain one business flow. First one, launch application. See, this business flows only for understanding the application. Using these business flows, you can easily derive the test cases. Launch application plus view products Suppose as a guest user, I launched that application by navigating that URL. Application launched. Next, I view some products. Next, close application. This is one navigation. Next, suppose as a guest user, I launched the application, view products, and I search products. After search, I didn't purchase, just closed the application. Next, Rahman.
Launch application, view product.
Launch application, next view products.
Then search product.
Search product.
Then create accounts or registration.
See, plus a registration.
Then you can buy product or close application.
Buy product. One or more buy products. Next, close application. This is the complete navigation. This is one flow. Next, alternate flow also there. Say before buy, you register. Then during buying products, it uses your login user details. Otherwise, suppose first launch application. Next, buy products, view products, buy products directly. Suppose I want to buy products. Select the product, add to cart. Suppose quantity 3. Does not exist. Okay, this is a different one. Next, checkout. I don't have login. Now this time it is asking login. Suppose if I have login, login details I can enter. Otherwise, I can register. While buying products also you can register now. Tell me, Madhavi. Launch application, view products, search products. Next. Okay, view, search, common. Buy products. During buy products, it asks login. Suppose you already registered. See, in previous visit, you already registered. Just log in and check out, close application. Check out, close application. Next, suppose you are not registered already. Launch application, view product, search optional. Suppose launch application, just a minute. Launch application. Suppose search option, just a minute. Buy products. Suppose I don't have login. While buying products, you can register. After register, it will log in automatically. Then close application. Checkout, close. Checkout comes under buy products only. Next. Anything else, Madhavi?
No, sir.
Krishna Chaitanya. Suppose.
Sir, the byproduct. After that, you mentioned the register. And then you mentioned the close application, right?
Register.
So after register only, that person can buy the product, right?
Yes, buy products continuation. Under buy, see actually under buy products only, this one. During buying products, register. Here after register, checkout. See, registration process during buy products only.
Yeah.
Next, another flow. Just a launch application. Just I want to register. Register. I don't want to purchase any products in this launch. Just registration. Just registration. Next, close application. Next time I will purchase. This time just registration. Rahman, any flow, any other flows?
Launch and close.
Launch and close, yes.
I launch and I don't want to see anything. Just close application.
Just launch application, then close application.
We can do the launch application, then add cart, add to the cart, and then close the application.
Yes, but incomplete operations. Okay, that is also one possibility. Launch application, next.
Add to the cart.
Add to cart.
And then close the application.
Without checkout. Okay, na?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, you can close. See, after some time, it will remove that cookies without checkout. Close application. Yes, you can. Next, any other? Krishna Chaitanya, Srivalli, any other flows?
Sir, what do you mean by it will delete cookies?
That is, say, suppose if you log into any website, suppose you log into your bank application, suddenly you closed that application. After some time you launch that application, again you have to log in, na?
Yes.
What happened internally? After some time, server removes that cookies, the browser cookies.
Yes.
After some time, some applications won't remove cookies. Suppose launch application and log in, close the application, after some time launch, and you can get your login page as it is. Those are not secured applications. In secured applications, once you close the application without log out, next relaunch the application, then again you have to launch the application. Okay, na?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Srivalli, any other flows?
No, sir.
Okay, these are the important flows. Next, Madhavi, derive test cases for comprehensive testing. Say, we plan sanity test cases and comprehensive test cases, but we don't plan regression test cases. Why? Regression test cases after first cycle execution only you can get. See, it depends on defects raised. You have to select regression test cases, but sanity test cases, comprehensive test cases are fixed. Most of the time for any application, sanity test cases and comprehensive test cases are fixed. Isn't it, Tushar? But regression test cases not fixed, na? Regression test cases dynamic, na?
Yes, sir.
Observe Rahman, any confusion? Sanity tests, comprehensive tests, static means fixed, but regression tests,
dynamic.
Dynamic. Okay. We derived sanity tests for admin interface. Next, comprehensive tests. Comprehensive means complete testing. Contribute Krishna Chaitanya. Comprehensive tests for admin interface.
Launch the browser.
Launch browser is general. It's not comes under this application. Launch application. Is it okay?
Okay.
Launch application. This is one small functionality. Launch application. After launching, first launch browser and navigate to URL. After launching, using page title or URL or any main element on page, you can verify that launch application. Next.
Login.
Before login, one functionality is there, one feature is there, na?
Online catalog.
Redirect to user interface.
Why should we go there, sir? If we are admin, we can directly
sometimes
log in
you need to check the reflections. Suppose you add one product in admin interface, you need to check that reflection in user interface before add and after add. In many ways you can check that reflections using database or using admin front end or using user front end. Next, Madhavi, contribute redirect to admin interface. This is one test case. Srivalli.
Either elements or links disappeared or not on the page. I mean, suppose there are another categories, right? All items disappeared on the page or not?
Yes. Elements, existence of elements.
Existence.
Yes. See. Existence of elements on admin page. Next, contribute Rahman.
So, do you not to login admin?
Yes, admin login. See, in this application, vendor login functionality not implemented, but in real applications, vendor login or manufacturer login also there. Okay, based on this application, you need to automate this application. Consider existing functionalities only. Admin login. Here you can write two test cases, positive test case and negative test case. Or using data driven testing, you can cover both positive and negative scenarios. Okay na? Madhavi?
Yes, sir.
See, in two ways you can verify. Observe. In two ways you can verify admin login. In two ways. We can verify. Admin login. Login. What are the two ways? One is
log off.
Log off. Okay. What are the two ways? One is
positive testing and negative.
yes, using positive and negative test cases with valid input and invalid input. Positive and negative separate test cases. Next are both. Using data-driven testing. Single test case, but multiple iterations. In first scenario, single iteration, multiple test cases. Next, admin log off or log out. Next, just a minute. After login, observe Srivalli, here also you can check for elements. Element existence na?
Yes, sir.
That is also one important test case nowadays. After login. Next, contribute Srivalli.
Oh, yeah. Young sir.
Add category or test case na?
Yeah. Add edit.
Add edit. Category. Next, edit, you can write another test case. Edit category. Before that, vendor, add manufacturer. Add manufacturer. This is one. Here insert option is there. Using this insert option you can add. Okay. Next,
edit.
Next. Yes, edit. See this add manufacturer, sanity test case, sanity test case also. Edit manufacturer. Next, delete manufacturer. Next, add category. Next,
edit category.
Edit category. Just a minute. Edit category. Next,
delete category.
Delete category. Next,
add product.
Yes, under category, add product. Add product. Next, delete. Delete. Before that, edit product.
Edit.
Sequence. Edit product. Next, delete product. You try to automate these test cases. Some other also there. Those are reports.
Sir, we can add existence of link.
Pardon? Add?
No, existence of link.
What link?
There are the currency and those are the links, right? The customer, local.
That comes under here. Observe. after login, we check the elements na. Link also element na.
Yes, sir.
You
Okay.
can check links or buttons or any important elements.
Okay.
We already covered. See, you
Okay,
try
sir.
to automate these 15 test cases. Some reports also there. You leave reports. You try to automate these scenarios from admin side. Next, user side. User side. Rahman, comprehensive test for user interface.
Launch application.
Here also
First one.
launch application. Launch application.
We have two sides, guest user and registered users. So do we have to?
Two users. One is guest user. Next, registered user. Next,
View product.
view products, just elements. Here also you can
Login.
Existence. Check existence of elements. Next, before login.
Redirect.
Or not redirect. Customer registration. After registration only you can log in. Customer registration. Registration form is there. Next,
user login.
Customer login or user login. Next,
because log in there, so log out.
Log out. Next, buy products also there na?
Yes, sir.
Buy products, etc. Okay, you try to automate these cases. Madhavi, if you find more time, in two ways you can you try to automate in two ways. One is, just a minute, automate the test cases, what we discussed, using Selenium WebDriver and Java programming. No framework in this scenario.
Okay, sir.
No framework. Just a minute. Test automation. First scenario, automate the test cases using Selenium WebDriver and Java programming features. Here, you try to use reusable components. Find reusable components. For example, login. Suppose if you want to create end-to-end scenarios, login is required for add product, edit product, delete product, add vendor, add category, etc. Next, another way, and you try to automate test cases using Selenium WebDriver next Java programming and TestNG. Here, say observe Preeti, yesterday for data-driven testing for admin login functionality, we used all these three features now. Selenium WebDriver. Say for login functionality, we used Selenium WebDriver, driver, find element, so and so element, send keys, click, etc. operations. Next, Java programming also we used strings. Next, for loops, etc. Next, test engine annotations also, data provider annotation. Next, @test annotation, etc. See, in two ways you try to automate this application. Okay, na Madhavi?
Okay, sir.
TestNG is not mandatory. TestNG is not mandatory. You can based on your company strategy, you can follow. See, some companies prefer only Selenium and programming features. Some companies prefer Selenium programming features and framework features. You try to automate in these two ways, and I will allot one more session after completion. We will discuss. Any queries, Tushar, regarding this project overview?
No, sir, I'm good.
Krishna Chaitanya, Rahman.
No, sir. Let's see how far we can go.
Okay.